In the heart of a bustling Washington, D.C., a legal battle of historic significance unfolded before the eyes of a nation grappling with the complexities of immigration policy. In the midst of heated rhetoric and legal maneuvering, a panel of judges on the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals found themselves at the center of a polarized decision. The courtroom, a solemn theater of American justice, bore witness to impassioned arguments from both sides. On one side stood the Justice Department, armed with the 1798 Alien Enemies Act, a relic of legislation seldom wielded in modern times. Their aim was clear: to expedite the deportation of suspected members of the Tren de Aragua. On the other, human rights advocates and legal defenders questioned the wisdom and morality of invoking such an ancient law in the present day. The central figure in this legal drama was a man named Judge Henderson, a seasoned jurist whose discerning gaze and penetrating questions forced both sides to grapple with the tensions at hand. Alongside him were Judges Baxter and Castillo, whose verdicts would shape the course of proceedings. Judge Baxter, with a voice that conveyed the gravitas of his decision, sided with the Justice Department. Citing national security concerns and the gang's purportedly violent influence, he weighed the urgency of action against the burden of prolonged deliberation. Judge Castillo, however, found himself drawn to a different compass, the notion of justice tempered with empathy. His dissenting opinion resonated with an equally compelling narrative, the risks of hasty deportation outweighing the perceived threats. His appeal to constitutional principles and human rights found favor with Judge Henderson. Judge Henderson's vote tipped the balance to a temporary halt. This 2-1 decision, though not a final resolution, served as a touchstone for the nation's ongoing debate over immigration and security. The streets outside the courthouse echoed with voices of protest and support, their chants and cries a testament to a country caught in the throes of transformation. For those caught in the crossfire of these proceedings, particularly the migrants facing an uncertain future, the ruling represented a crucial reprieve, a brief but powerful moment of dignity amidst the looming uncertainty of deportation flights indefinitely grounded by the court's ruling. As the gavel fell, the courtroom emptied, yet the reverberations of the decision would continue to pulse through the arteries of American society. In the distance, the sun began to set, casting a warm, golden hue over the city, a reminder that even in times of discord, hope flickers on the horizon.